You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. They have similar pronunciations, but of course they have very different meanings and different pronunciations and spellings. So the top word is a towel. Towel is how you pronounce it. Towel. You have to put your tongue up to form the L sound, L at the end. Towel. Now, the bottom word is pronounced in British English in the UK, tower. The R is essentially not pronounced in British English. Tower. Tower. So the same but without the L. Tower. You know, a tower in a castle. Now in American English, a tower is pronounced tower. Tower. So, towel, what you use to dry yourself after your shower. Towel. Tower. Towel. Tower. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.